Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame finish a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, but want to get things updated here as the price once again pushed to new highs. So up until recently, the highest it could have, the price made it was up there at 0024, but after today's price action, got up there and actually on 3 separate occasions hit 0026. So the trend continues upwards, and we'll see if the price can continue to build upon this. First video I did was, when the price was still down around this area, and I talked about how, hey, you know what? There's been crazy things that happen with these penny stocks. Maybe there's some sort of bounce taking shape here with the sideways movement, and now all of a sudden the bounce is hit as high as 0026. So, over 100% gain from just a few days ago, which is crazy because I get it. You read the headlines and things aren't looking so good, but that's just a world of penny stocks and why charts are worthwhile because, they can lead you to some good profitable opportunities. So as far as levels of support are concerned, one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, and if you say, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the best case going forward? That'd be if the price can stay up above 0023. Now, taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall bounce, that right there being defined as the bounce. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above that 0023 mark would be the best case scenario. However, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I already talked about that. And once again, that is right up there at 0026, which is where the price got rejected from on a few different occasions today. But overall, the price continues to chip away at those higher bases and, chip away by putting in those higher highs. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.